When it comes to taste, freshness, quality and consistency, Haldiram's comes to everyone's mind with no efforts. For generations, Haldiram's have been satisfying the taste buds of millions of families in India and across the globe with a proud legacy of 80 years and the primary reason of infinite smiles throughout every occasion and celebration. Hygiene and safety, even prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, have been one of the core values of our brand. And in light of the current situation, we believe that our responsibility has increased many folds. Upon entry at our factory, it is mandatory for all the employees to go through temperature checking stations and sanitization booths. For all the workers present in the factory, protective safety equipment, including masks, gloves and headgears, have been made available, and their mandatory usage has become a principal part of our standard operating procedures. Through these practices, we are ensuring the safety of all the members of our big Haldiram's family, our staff and our loyalists, as all the products leaving our factories would be manufactured and packaged in the utmost hygiene. Over the years, automatization, infrastructure and inspection development has also been one of our primary objectives. Every product in the factory goes through strict monitoring and examination before being dispatched. From the procurement of raw material to the packaging of the finished products, the transformation of your favorite namkeen and sweets goes through automized machinery to minimize human contact, which also helps in ensuring freshness and hygiene. Within the factory, we have always ensured that a safe and hygienic environment is maintained. From following hygiene standard practices at each production stage, to the daily sanitization of the manufacturing equipment and transport vehicles, we want you to be rest assured that we have left no stone unturned for your safety and care, which is of utmost importance to us. For our restaurants, practices such as social distancing have become an essential part of the revised operational protocols. At each point of entry, the number of customers entering our stores are also closely monitored in order to ensure the safety and security of all. Each customer is also expected to go through the standard entry procedure of body temperature check and hand sanitization. Likewise, our internal staff and chefs also go through the same procedure when entering the kitchen or the outlets. Adding to that, for online food deliveries, we are constantly working towards customer satisfaction and comfort, given the current circumstances. With each delivery, information of the body temperature of the chef, packaging staff and delivery boy is precisely mentioned. While we have been delivering food in tamper-proof bags, each parcel is now also equipped with a hand sanitizer pouch for use. Your safety has always been our priority, and we at Haldiram's are constantly improving and working to serve you better. Times might have changed and situations may demand us to be more cautious, but we are determined to embrace the change amiably and still deliver the same sumptuous taste and delightful experience. Haldiram hai hum Vishwas hain.